Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to start the topic list of Python. Okay, so lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable, and it is one of a 4 built-in data types in Python, and that is used to store collection of data like what you do with a shopping list. Okay, so let me show you how to create a list. Now let's make a variable list1, and list1 is our variable where we are going to store some of the items. So lists are created using square brackets, and the items inside of the list are separated with the help of commas. Okay, so all the items are separated with the comma. Fine, so remember, lists are enclosed in square bracket. Now a list can store values of different types like strings, numbers, etc. So it doesn't necessarily we should have only the same data types like numbers only, integers only. We can have string values inside of this also. Okay, like this one. So you can have multiple data types, different kind of items inside of list, and the items in the list are identified using their positions, and these positions are known as indexes. Okay, so here in list 1, 4 is in index 0. Okay, the index start with 0, and similarly high is in 1, 8 is in 2, and similarly 3 and 4. Okay, so since lists are indexed, list can have items with the same value. That means there can be duplicate values too. Okay, so whenever you say list 2 index 2, then it refers to this 8 item 8. Okay, and whenever it says list 4 index 4, then it goes here. Fine, so this is all about list, and we are going to continue the list in our next video too. So thank you for being with us, and see you in the next video.